So this is our chicken tractor, and there's a handle to lift it up, move it back and forth. The opening, change the feed, the water. The light. Solar power for the light, so at night. Come on back here. Come on back here. For them to lay their eggs.
This is your first one you and your dad built.
First one, me and my dad built.
Never built one before.
Very first one. Right here. Breather. Open it. Look at the chickens. The top part.
Who'd you build this for?
Mother's Day.
For your mother?
Yep. Right here. Grab them out on the bottom. Have a little lock so the kids can't come out. Open them, let them out. Have a light on the inside. Keep them warm. Tin. And it's a lot more better to put them back and forth through the yard. Eat all the bugs, spiders, ants, instead of the feed.
You gonna show them your tractor?
Okay.
Your door?
Oh, the door. Right here. The door to let them in, out, just pull the string. Close it at night, open it in the morning. Keep them all in there. I'm gonna shot it and show the door. I'm gonna shot it and show the door.